Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you want your birds to be as happy as these guys are, you've got to check out this black soldier fly larva from Hatortempt. Do you think they like it? They won't stop following me around. It's been a great treat for them. They love it. And as domesticated ducks, it's a really good tool for them to work on their foraging skills. We've also found it really helpful for bonding. This is Georgie, and she's clearly not shy around food. But this little brown one is Gracie, and she needed a little bit more convincing that humans are okay. This black soldier fly larva did the trick, and she was literally eating out of my hand in a matter of a few hours. Gracie went from hiding to playing hide and seek with me. So whenever she hears my voice, she knows that the black soldier fly larva is not very far behind, and she can't wait for her treat. And thanks to Hatortempt, I had the privilege of actually being able to pick up Gracie and hold her. It's been a great tool to work on desensitizing her to human interaction. And the same with these feral ducks. They definitely wanted to get in on a piece of this action. They were more than happy to stick around to be able to get this black soldier fly larva. While I can't comment on the flavor, I do believe these are very high quality. They have a great snap to them, and you can hear they're really crunchy and dried perfectly. I am torturing these poor ducks. They just want more. So if you want some very happy ducks, you've got to get them this black soldier fly larva from Hatortempt. And that's my point of view.